Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channels. I hope you had a great and wonderful Thanksgiving. It's beautiful out here. It was snowing the night of Thanksgiving, which is Thursday, and now it's Saturday. After Thanksgiving, it's still snowing. It's really beautiful out here in Colorado, and I got some awesome news today. As you can see here on my sweater, Cybertruck. That's right. I'm going to check out the production quality Tesla Cybertruck here in Colorado. They are displaying the Cybertruck right inside of Littleton Tesla Service Center. It's about 20 minutes from my house, or about 20 minutes from downtown Denver. And in today's video, I'll show you closer look of an awesome Cybertruck. This is really exciting because Tesla are having a delivery party really soon. Now let's go. Alright, so we are here, Tesla Service Center in Littleton, Colorado. Check out the Cybertruck. I'm not sure you can see from the window over there. Let's go inside. Yeah, the Cybertruck from the outside. I'm sure you can see it. Really cool. Let's go. First, I have to apologize because I have to do voiceover in some part of the videos because the noise on the inside is really loud. From the video, I can't really hear anything that I was talking. So let's start and look at the front of this Cybertruck. Looks so much better in person. Love that whole strip front headlight design of the Cybertruck. This is the closest to the production that you can get on the Cybertruck so far, the one that they're displaying. Let's check out the front feature first, since no one is around. As you can see here, there's one camera right on the bumper of the Cybertruck. That's something new because most of Tesla cars only have cameras on the windshield, 3 cameras on the windshield. No, none of the Tesla cars has the front bumper camera. This would be really helpful, when you take the Cybertruck out and off-road, so you can see a lot easier in front of you. And this is the side and front fender of Cybertruck. There's one camera over there, as you can see, on top of the wheel arch. Let's check out on the other side of the Cybertruck. I got an awesome conversation with a lot of people here, and also with Tesla's advisors. They are really helpful, but not helpful enough to get me to see the interior of the car. That's what everybody tried, to get in there. But for now, we can't see it. But yeah, I asked them what's the size of the wheels and tires. So the tire size is 33 inch, which is really good size. It could go, definitely could go bigger. For sure, it can easily fit 35 inch. This is probably at the mid heights. As far as I know, every Cybertruck would come standard with adjustable heights for the suspension bars. So this is where your charging port is. So that's the right rear of the fender. So just like every other Tesla, only one thing is not there, but it's on the fender itself. So it's hiding out, which is really cool. Because it doesn't have, the tail light wrap around to have a charger port here. That's why they hide it on the fender itself. Let's check out on this side here. So you have a camera right there on the B pillar, just like every other Tesla. Also a camera, I believe. Okay, so instead of having a camera down here, you will have a camera right there on the front fender of the car. So the camera so far, 1, 2, 3 in the back, 4, 5, 6 around the car, and I believe 3 more right on the windshield. Really cool. I love look, and the quality is so much better in person as far as the aluminum body. My big question is how would this headlight work in the real life situation, like when you turn on at night. That's what I want to know too. And you have 2 hooks in the front. Very cool. Love the front side of the car. This car is definitely something that you need when you come to see it in person to appreciate the design. So much better in person for sure. Let me show you, I'll try to use my iPhone and zoom in and show you the interior of the car, because I got a chance to talk to one of the Tesla advisors, and he said this is still pre-production, but this is the closest it gets to the production level as far as quality and the material wise. But since it's a show car in the showroom, that's why they made it so good. All the gaps, everything just aligned perfectly. I was curious about, so it has like a factory tinted, like the Model Y, you can see Model Y in the back, but not the front end. And I don't know how much of the headroom we would get for the back seat wise, so that's questionable. That's why everybody will try to get in the car to feel the seat, how big and how roomy it is, but looks really roomy in the front. Let me show you a small clip of inside interior of Tesla Cybertruck. Alright, so here's a closer look of the interior. So this one has the white interior option, as you can see, and the interior will have the light strip. The interior lighting, just like what you see in the Tesla Model 3 Highland, the newest one. Love this steering wheel. I think it's just perfect. Love the small steering wheels. Always want to, get small steering wheels in my car. So it has that flat top and bottom steering wheels. No screen in the front, just main display in the middle. We still don't know if the display in the middle is adjustable to the left or the right or not. But the white interior is really cool. Check out the seats. So the seats, just like we have seen, but this is probably the final production seat. You have that white stripes alongside both sides of the seat. So probably that's what you get if you choose the white interior for the Cybertruck. So you can see the handles, the door handles. It's really good. So everything just flat. That's an opening right there. So where you open the doors, you go to the other side of the seat, the back seat. You can see the front 3 cameras, just like every other Tesla. You have 3 cameras right in the front on top of the windshield. Giant windshield. One thing I forgot to mention is this crazy long front windshield wiper. That's like almost 4 feet long, and it just rests right on the side position. I think this is probably the best position to have that big of the windshield resting while you drive the car. Probably this is the best way to get the best aerodynamic for the truck. Check out on that side. Here's the passenger side interior. There's a lot of reflection here from there, the white color there, but it looks really comfortable in the seat. I'm not sure if the headrest is adjustable. It doesn't look adjustable at all. I can see the rear seat. As you can see there are 3 different headrests for the rear seat. As you see, there's a lot of legroom for sure on the rear seat. Still, the white interior on the door panel continues to the interior of the car, but that's so far I can tell right now what's the rear seat looks like. One more thing though, I have seen, I think a lot of people have seen like the door button, like to open the truck, was over there, right on that top corner, but I don't see anything right now. Let me ask how to open the door. Okay, so I just asked one of the Tesla advisor. He said, you see the button right there? Right there. So those are physical button to open the door. You basically just press it in, the door will pop open and open the whole door out. Same thing on the rear passenger door. You just press it in and open the door. That's really, really cool. Here's a closer look of the steering wheel on this side. So the middle of the steering wheel, as you can see, similar to the new Tesla Model 3 Highland with the Cybertruck logo right in the middle of it. But I love that top and bottom flat steering wheels. At least they didn't come with the yoke for Cybertruck, because otherwise it's not gonna be a good steering wheel for Cybertruck for sure. Here's a closer look of the front adjustable air suspensions. These are only things that you can see so far, because the rear suspensions are covered up with the interior plastic there. You can't really see much of the suspensions there. And forgot to mention about the glass roof. So Cybertruck roof are all glass, front and rear. So basically just like every other Tesla, they're all glass roof. And check out that tonneau cover in the back. Very, very cool, really durable too. So that was a closer look of the pre-production. Well, this is not quite pre-production, it's probably pre-production that's closest to the production Tesla Cybertruck that will be unveiled in the next few days, and hopefully we'll know more information about Cybertruck soon. But thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to click like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace. Wait a minute, don't go anywhere yet. So if you are around Littleton area, check out the Cybertruck. Come here at downtown Littleton. They have the best bakery around here at Born to Bake. Let's go check it out. Look at those delicious cakes and cupcakes. I got delicious latte from them. Love the latte. Really, really smooth. And whoa, look at the cake. Alright, thanks guys for watching. See you on the next video. I'll eat it for now.